Ooh, I can feel that heat over here.
You got it? You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
You're in big trouble, mister!
Down! Somebody went down, yeah. Oh, sorry! I'm sorry?
I gotta go up that road.
Okay, we had somebody crash. I apologize. We'll move. Just chill out for a minute. Oh.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Yeah, no, I just realized it's a red light and I stopped. Are you okay? I hit my head good on my shoulder again. I might be spitting chunks of teeth, I'm not sure.
I'm good. That's all I'm on, man. Insanity. That hurt. Yeah.
Si è fatto male?
No, sto bene, sto bene.
Mi hai fatto prendere un po'. Sei scivolato sulla ghiaia.
Sì.
Bro, is the highway shut down? Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness, dude. Bro, the highway is shut down. Look at the cloud. What is going on, dude? Oh, it's on its side. Whoa. That's crazy, bro. Is he okay? That's the guy, huh? Is that him over there? Standing talking to them?
I know the driver's okay.
He's okay? Oh, man. Is that oil or some kind of chemical, or is it just... Oh, wow. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, don't do that for me. It doesn't look like it's going too crazy. Yeah, like you said, it's like a campfire. It's just kind of burning. All right, brother. Hey, have a good day, sir. Yeah, man. Thanks. Bro, look at it, dude. Wow. Ooh, I can feel that heat over here. Dang, bro.
This is fine.
Alles gut? Nicht was?
Oh no. I knew it. I knew it. Damn it, bro. I knew better than this. You alright? And he just bought this bike too. Oh, it's alright. Damn, bro. It looks like it's alright though.
Barely split it. And there it went. Yep.
No, you're good.
What we look like on the side?
You're looking good. We just gotta get this dirt out here so it don't catch on fire. At least you ain't all up. You're in a t-shirt. Bro, come on, man. Bro. What? Idiot.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, whoa. Good, bro?
What's wrong with you? Really?
Figured out some other guy to come down.
Okay. What's your name?
Dan.
Dan. Okay, Mitch.
Yeah, my son's bear hunting with him
Okay.
out of that group, so.
Okay, so there should be somebody hopefully there.
Yeah, I hope so.
Okay, there's a guy there broken down, so I'm gonna head to where he says there's a hunting camp, and some guys will hopefully come help him. Hey, are you Mike?
No, Mike's not here. He went to town.
Your buddies with Dan?
Yeah.
Dan's busted down by the tunnel.
Oh, is he?
Yeah, so I was just passing by and he said he was busted, so he said, you guys at the camp here, if anyone's there, to let him know.
Alright.
So.
Will do. I'll go up there.
Okay.
Thank you.
No problem. You have a good day. Okay, mission successful.
Are they there?
There was one guy there. Dan wasn't there, but you do have somebody coming.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
I appreciate it, man.
No problem. Yeah. Good luck. Well, that would be a pain, but at least it's not that far if you have to walk. Okay, we'll see ya. Take care.
Ô, mano, eu bati aí no teu carro, encosta aí.
You, man. Rocks. You guys see that?
You can fit past there, you don't. There's so much room. You. There's so much room. You see that?
And if you still right till the end, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, I'm sure you will like this one too, so check it out. And don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date on my latest content. I'll see you in the next one.